Hi everyone, and welcome to this guide on completing Unit 1 of the Level 3 Award in Education and Training. My name is Karen from Karen Blake Coaching. This video will guide you through the key concepts of Unit 1 and help you understand how to approach your assignment effectively. Unit 1 is an essential part of this qualification, as it lays the foundation for your understanding of teaching in further education. You will explore the roles and responsibilities of an educator, the importance of professional relationships, and the legal and ethical considerations that underpin effective teaching. This is a written assignment, typically around 2,000 words, where you will need to demonstrate a strong understanding of these concepts. You should reference Anne Gravel's textbooks, which provide key insights into these topics. You are also encouraged to use additional sources where relevant. Once you submit your assignment, you will receive feedback within 5 working days. If you need additional support, I am available as your tutor assessor to guide you through any areas where you need further clarification. You can start working on other units while awaiting feedback. Let's begin by breaking down the key areas of Unit 1.
The role of an educator extends beyond simply delivering lessons. As a teacher or trainer in further education, your responsibilities include planning and delivering well-structured lessons tailored to learners' needs, assessing learning progress through formative and summative assessments, providing guidance and support to students, ensuring an inclusive and encouraging learning environment, ensuring compliance with relevant legislation, safeguarding policies and professional codes of conduct. A core concept to understand is the teaching and learning cycle, which consists of 5 key stages. 1. Identifying learner needs, establishing what support learners require. 2. Planning and designing, developing lesson plans and learning resources. 3. Delivering and facilitating, engaging learners through effective teaching strategies. 4. Assessing learning, using assessments to measure progress. 5. Evaluation and feedback, reflecting on teaching effectiveness and making improvements. Your assignment task is to explain the teaching role and responsibilities in detail, using examples from your current or future teaching practice. You'll also need to identify and explain 4 key roles and responsibilities of a teacher. Make sure to reference Anne Gravel's textbook to meet the expected standard. Some areas to consider: the role of the teacher as a facilitator of learning, ensuring a safe and inclusive learning environment, providing effective assessment and feedback, maintaining professional boundaries and ethical standards. A good approach is to describe each stage of the teaching and learning cycle and provide examples to show how these responsibilities are applied in real-life teaching. Aim for 200 to 400 words for this section. Teachers must work within the boundaries of legislation and professional codes of practice to create a safe, ethical, and legal learning environment. Key areas include Health and Safety at Work Act, ensuring a safe physical environment for learners. General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, handling learner data responsibly. Safeguarding and child protection, understanding your duty of care to vulnerable learners. Manual handling regulations, relevant in practical learning environments. Your assignment task requires you to choose 4 key legislations, regulations or codes of practice, explain what they are, and describe how they apply to your teaching role. Aim for 400 words minimum. A key part of teaching is ensuring all learners feel included and have equal access to education. This involves differentiation, adapting your lessons to cater to different learning needs and abilities. Removing barriers, addressing learning difficulties, accessibility issues, and language challenges. Encouraging diversity, promoting a safe and supportive environment that respects all learners. Your assignment should explain at least 3 strategies teachers can use to promote inclusivity. Aim for 300 words minimum. Creating a safe and supportive learning environment ensures that all students can focus on their studies without distractions or concerns. Health and safety compliance. Checking for hazards, ensuring PPE use where required. Emotional and mental well-being, providing encouragement, maintaining a positive atmosphere. Signposting learners to support, directing students to additional resources when needed. Your assignment task asks you to explain 3 to 4 ways to maintain a safe and supportive learning environment. Aim for 300 to 400 words. Congratulations on completing this guide to Unit 1 of the Level 3 Award in Education and Training. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. Roles and responsibilities of an educator. The teaching and learning cycle and its application. Key legislation and professional standards. Inclusive teaching strategies and supporting learner needs. The importance of assessment, feedback, and creating a safe learning environment. Now it's time to complete your Unit 1 assignment. Remember, ensure your work is around 2,000 words. Use examples from your own teaching experience or aspirations. Reference Anne Gravel's textbooks and any additional sources. Check for clarity, structure, and spelling before submitting. Submit your completed assignment through iLearner or Qualifications at KarenBlakeCoaching.com. Once submitted, you will receive feedback within 5 working days. If you have any questions or need additional guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. Tutor support is available to help you succeed. Thank you for joining this session. Be sure to check out our next videos covering Unit 2, Understanding and Using Inclusive Teaching and Learning Approaches. Unit 3, Understanding the Principles and Practices of Assessment. Follow Karen Blake Coaching for more updates and training resources. As part of your learning, take a moment to reflect on this unit. Think about, what have you learned from completing this assignment? How has this unit helped shape your understanding of teaching? How will you apply this knowledge in your current or future teaching practice? For further support or inquiries, contact us at qualifications@karenblakecoaching.com, www.karenblakecoaching.com, 016857 00946, mobile or WhatsApp, 07742563 Good luck with your assignment, and I look forward to seeing your progress.